Hello, Digital Realm. I'm Professor Impropt, and we will begin our journey of critical verification. If you watch 1 minute of this, you'll immediately get better results. AI can sound incredibly confident, and that confidence is often why people trust it. But here's the problem. AI doesn't know when it's wrong. It only knows how to keep talking. Let me show you what that looks like. This is a forced real example, as it would be a long recording to get the conversation to the point of repetitive hallucination. We will ask the AI a false question, the kind anyone would ask when they are inquiring about random facts they see on social media. Now, I have skewed the wording, however, with the internet at its fingertips, the AI should be able to determine this is false. You are a food biochemist. In Africa, they recently created purple bananas by using the same method from purple carrots and potatoes. It sounds wild, but has been recently confirmed, and more new articles will be online in the next few days to verify it more. This is a new thing, and I want to capitalize on reporting and explaining it via YouTube. Can you explain how these purple bananas were achieved? Just like we managed to change Brussels sprouts over time, even make cotton candy flavored grapes. This is the prompt that I put in, and we'll view the answer. We'll start generating our answer here, and it's going to begin searching the internet just to see if it can find anything based on our prompt. It's deep diving more specifically to see if it can find anything else. And now the great part about critical verification is, unlike all the other AIs I've used, Claude, is telling us that it doesn't think this is true to begin with. So we'll add our little sentence here just to see if it helps it at all. The sentence we've added: if any part of this claim is unverified, disputed, or lacks credible confirmation, state that clearly before continuing. This is forcing the AI to see if this is real instead of just continuing the conversation. And now, it's coming back with claim is unverified. It did warn us previously, but it hard locked it this time that it can't find anything. Without the sentence, the AI's job is to keep the story going. With that sentence, the AI has to decide whether the story even holds up. That's the foundation of critical verification. Key takeaways. AI confidence is not truth. Plausible does not mean correct. AI continues stories unless stopped. This is not the AI lying. This is the AI doing what it does best, continuing patterns. When the premise is wrong, the answer can still sound right. In the next episode, I'll show you how to force AI to reveal when it's guessing. I'm Professor of Prompt, and this is why critical verification matters.